artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it is here, embedded in the fabric of our lives. From retail to healthcare, transportation to education, AI is reshaping industries and redefining what it means to work in the 21st century. But where did it all begin? How did AI evolve to its current form? And more importantly, what does this mean for the global workforce? Let's explore the presence of AI in the world of work. Artificial intelligence, or AI, traces its roots back to the mid-20th century. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was coined at the Dartmouth Conference, marking the formal birth of the field. But the dreams of creating machines that could mimic human thought existed long before that, with figures like Alan Turing, whose work laid the groundwork for what would become AI today. At first, AI research solely focused on symbolic AI, or rule-based systems, where machines were designed to follow pre-programmed rules and logic. This approach aimed to simulate human reasoning through symbols and abstract concepts, leading to systems like expert systems, which were used for problem-solving in fields like medicine. However, the limitations of symbolic AI became clear. While it was good for specific tasks, it couldn't handle real-world complexities. Soon enough, there was a shift toward machine learning, where machines could learn from data rather than relying purely on rules. The breakthroughs in the 2000s, particularly with machine learning and neural networks, led to what we call narrow AI, systems that are highly specialized in tasks like image recognition, language translation, and decision-making in complex systems. AI evolved from early ideas into sophisticated technologies that can now process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and even learn from experience. This shift was driven by advances in machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. The 21st century saw an explosion in data availability and computational power, particularly with the rise of the internet and cloud computing. This allowed researchers to build and train deep neural networks on massive datasets. In 2012, Google's DeepMind developed AlphaGo, an AI that mastered the complex game of Go, beating world champion Lee Sedol in 2016. This was a major moment in AI's history and demonstrated the power of deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses large-scale neural networks to perform tasks like image recognition, language processing, and decision-making. Nevertheless, as we stand in 2024, the question is no longer whether AI will affect industries it already has. Manufacturing is becoming more automated. Financial services are relying on AI algorithms for market predictions, and healthcare is increasingly using AI for personalized treatments. From smart assistants like Alexa and Siri to recommendation engines on Netflix and Amazon, AI's capabilities span a wide range of industries. AI is not just a tool, it's becoming the backbone of modern economies. In some industries, it's boosting productivity, while in others, it's fundamentally changing business models. In manufacturing, robots have long been part of the assembly line, but now they are becoming smarter and more adaptive. Companies like Tesla and General Motors are deploying AI to streamline production and reduce costs. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment recommendations. Companies like Google's DeepMind and IBM Watson are leveraging machine learning to analyze vast amounts of medical data, potentially saving lives by catching diseases earlier. Microsoft, through its partnership with OpenAI, is using AI to transform cloud computing, while companies like NVIDIA are revolutionizing the hardware needed for AI applications. And in finance, AI is driving stock trades and risk management. Algorithms can process data and predict trends faster than any human could, giving firms like JP Chase and Goldman Sachs an edge. Although AI's expansion raises a key question: what does this mean for workers? On one hand, AI is creating new jobs. Roles in data science, machine learning, and AI ethics are in high demand. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, AI and automation could generate 97 million new jobs globally by 2025. However, not all workers will benefit equally. For those in repetitive and manual jobs, automation poses a significant risk. Industries like retail and transportation are already seeing a shift. with companies like Amazon and Uber increasingly relying on AI-powered systems to manage warehouses and fleets. The challenge is managing this transition in a way that supports displaced workers. We need stronger retraining programs and policies that ensure workers can adapt to these new technologies. Governments and businesses are responding to AI's rapid rise. In Europe, legislation like the AI Act is being proposed to regulate the use of AI in sensitive sectors, ensuring that ethical guidelines are followed. Meanwhile, corporations are investing in upskilling programs to help their employees stay relevant. For instance, Microsoft has committed over $500 million to AI training and certification programs, aiming to prepare the workforce for the new reality. As AI becomes more pervasive, the global workforce is at a crossroads. Some jobs will be automated, but many others will be created. The key is adapting to this new normal by embracing change, investing in education, and ensuring that no one is left behind. The future of work, shaped by AI, will be different. The decisions we make today will determine whether it's a future where technology empowers us or one where it leaves many behind. Join us for another insightful episode on Thursday. Thank you for watching.